Michael Arlina High School. Let me help and guide you in this learning journey. Are you ready to learn? Great! Before we start, make sure that you have your pen, paper, and self-learning module ready. After going through this lesson, you are expected to know the different argumentative writing techniques, recognize appropriate argumentative writing techniques to be employed in a certain issue or scenario, and use variety of writing techniques in writing an argumentative essay. Do you still remember our lesson about writing an argumentative essay? Good. What is it again? Yes. An argumentative essay is a genre of writing that aims to make the reader agree with the writer's opinion about a controversial or debatable issue. This time, we are going to study about the argumentative writing techniques. Take note, when you are writing an argumentative essay, it is important to remember that an academic argument is quite different from a regular emotional argument. In an academic argument, you will have a lot more constraints to consider and you will focus much more on logic and reasoning than emotions. Argumentative essays are quite common in an academic writing and are often an important part of writing in all disciplines. You may be asked to take a stand on an issue related to healthcare in nursing course or make a case for solving local environmental problem in your biology class. Whatever the case, having some knowledge of some basic argumentative techniques or strategies will be helpful as you write. So what are the argumentative writing techniques? 1. Causal argument. A causal claim is one that asserts that there is a relationship between two events such that one is the effect of the other. A causal claim takes the form of X causes Y, with X referring to the cause and Y referring to the effect. A causal argument provides the premise to support a conclusion about the cause and effect relationship. For example, if you go to a party instead of studying for an exam, you might say that going to the party caused you to perform badly on the exam. 2. Evaluation argument. An evaluation argument relies on judgments and appraisals often regarding the quality or performance. For example, you will evaluate your English teacher. You would need to establish a clear criteria for your evaluation for your audience. 3. Proposal argument. In this type of argument, you must propose a solution to a problem. First, you must establish a clear problem and then propose a scientific solution. For example, you might argue for a proposal that would increase the retention rate in your school. 4. Narrative argument. In this type of argument, you make your case by telling your story with a clear point related to your argument. For example, you can write an argument about climate change. Instead of presenting statistics, you tell a story of one geographic location that has experienced the negative effects of climate change. You tell a story about the people who have been affected by it. 5. Rebuttal argument. In rebuttal argument, you build your case around refuting an idea or ideas. In other words, your starting point is to challenge the ideas of the past. 6. Definition argument. In this type of argument, you use a definition as the starting point for making your case. For example, in a definition argument, you might argue on the benefits of organic food with a focus on defining what organic really means. There you have it, the argumentative writing techniques. In this lesson, you have learned the different argumentative writing techniques and recognized the appropriate argumentative writing techniques to be employed in a certain issue. Did you understand your lesson? Great! Let's have a short exercise. Please get a pen and paper and answer the following questions. Question number 1. What argumentative writing technique is used when you make your case by telling a story with a clear point related to your argument? A. Proposal argument. B. Rebuttal argument. C. Narrative argument. D. Definition argument. Question number 2. What argumentative writing technique argues that something has caused or led something else to a particular problem? A. Causal argument. B. Evaluation argument. C. Proposal argument. D. Rebuttal argument. Question number 3. When an author recognizes ideas from those who may oppose, what argumentative writing technique is used? A. Evaluation argument. B. Rebuttal argument. C. Proposal argument. D. Causal argument. Question number 4. What argumentative writing technique is used in this statement? Although the Hercules Shoe Company is non-polluting and provides a socially useful product, it is not socially responsible company because it treats its worker unjustly. A. Causal argument. B. Definition argument. C. Evaluation argument. D. Narrative argument. How did you fare in your exercise? Great! For your performance task, you are going to make an outline of your claim and argument using this graphic organizer. The complete instruction and rubric will be posted in our Google Classroom. So, I hope you learned something from our discussion today. I hope to see you again in our next video lesson. To get notified of our new video lessons, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Bye everyone!